lucky giveaway winners, Chef Anna here. By now, you should have picked up your pizza kit. We've packed all the ingredients you're going to need to make a delicious homemade pizza. Today, we're going to show you how to make that perfect homemade crust in just under 30 minutes. But before we get started, let's take a look at some of the things that are in your basket, as well as some additional items that you're going to need. And there you have it, your pizza crust is all ready to go. Make sure you preheat your oven to 400 degrees. I like my pizza crust a little bit crispier, so if you like it like that, then I would suggest you put it in there at 400 degrees for about 5 to 7 minutes just to get it a little cooked before you put your toppings on. We've got all kinds of toppings in the basket for you guys. Feel free to add as many or as few as you like, and we'll see you back in a minute. And there you have it, our homemade pizza crust and 3 different pizzas with all the goodies we gave you in the basket. We have our classic margarita pizza, our supreme pizza with pepperoni, and a classic pepperoni pizza as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for participating in National School Lunch Week. See you later.